How to recover my eyes only deleted pictures on Snapchat. Firstly, let's open the Snapchat application on your mobile device and click on the top left corner profile button. And once you're in, go to the settings button at the top. You can now scroll all the way down until you see I need help section. I've found it right here. Once it takes you to this support page, click on the Contact Us and submit a report. Choose the option of I need help with the Snapchat feature. Then choose the option of Memories. It questions you whether you still need help. Choose on the Yes option and select My Eyes Only. Now, even though Snapchat here tells you that it cannot be backed up, we can still retrieve it. Simply click on the Yes button. Now you will be required to submit a report, fill out your username and email address, and in the description you can write what I have written on the screen and simply send to Snapchat. And that's it. This is how you can recover my eyes only deleted pictures on Snapchat. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.